Trimming your dog's nails is an important task for every pet owner, as it will help to keep your canine companion happy and healthy. Nail trimming is best performed with the right trimmer that essentially comes with LED light to illuminate your pup's nails. The best nail trimmers make the job convenient for you and safe for your canine buddy, plus they're easy to grip, have a safety stop, and are suitable for most breeds. In order to help you to find out the best one, we have selected and reviewed best nail trimmers for dogs, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Casper Dog Nail Grinder. It uses an advanced diamond bit grinder to deliver the safest and most comfortable pet claw grinding, causing less hurt to your pet. It is equipped with a highlighted LED light, allowing you to see the location, so that trim in the right position. This dog nail trimmer is outfitted with an innovative motor, using the latest technology. The superpower speeds ensure fast, effective and professional grade grinding. The trimmer features an adjustable, low-high speed design, powerful enough support heavy grinding, and with 3 ports to match small, medium, or large pets. It is lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to maneuver the grinder to every corner of the paw, and its battery lasts for 3 hours after a 3-hour charge. Number 2. GHG Dog Nail Grinder. The advanced diamond bit grinder ensure fast and effective grinding, and equipped with high-quality motor, so the noise is controlled to 40 decibel while boosting the torque. The LED light under the grinder shines on your pet's claw, so you can easily and clearly find the bloodline and prevent overgrinding. Comes with 3 rotation speed settings, so you can choose speed according to pet's nail hardness, and 2 ports to match small, medium or large pets. Comes with USB charging cable that you can use with any computer, power bank or adapter plug. Number 3. All-Star Innovations Pet Nail Clipper. This illuminated nail clipper is safe and easy way to trim your pet's nails, illuminates light-colored nails' delicate bloodline, so you can trim in the right spot. Made of hardened steel, the blade cuts nails quickly and eliminates the struggle, and super comfortable grip on the unit makes it easy to hold. Comes with nail trapper that helps to catch nail clippings for easy cleanup. This nail trimmer is great for cats and dogs, and invented by pet lovers with the help of veterinarians. Number 4. Casper Dog Nail Grinder. This dog nail trimmer has 2 LED lights that allows you to see the location of dogs quick easier, avoiding overgrinding, causing less hurt to your furry friends. Outfitted with an innovative motor to ensure fast and effective grinding, and with whisper quiet technology, it produces a very low vibration to keep pets calm. It uses an advanced diamond drum bit grinder, which provides more comfortable and safe pet claw grinding. The trimmer features an adjustable, low-high speed design, powerful enough to support heavy grinding. Comes with 3 ports to match small, medium, or large pets. Simply rotate it to choose the perfect port for your pet. Number 5. Pryman's Dog Nail Grinder. Trim your dog's nails from the comfort of your home with Pryman's Paws Dog Nail Grinder. This rechargeable nail grinder works up to 11 hours on a single charge. Made of high-quality plastic, it is pleasant to the touch and comfortable to hold. It features a diamond grinder head that allows you to reduce the excessive length of the canine's nails effortlessly. Its inbuilt LED light will help you spot a quick in dog's nail and ensures precise and safe nail grooming. It has low and high speeds, and also features a double-sided cap for a pain-free grinding experience with any nail type. Number 6. Perum Dog Nail Grinder. The strong cutting blade is made of high-grade stainless steel for long hard nails of dogs and cats. The pet nail trimmer supports effective grinding dog's nails without any sharp angles, making a smooth round nail tip. The professional dog nail grinder and clippers are both equipped with LED light, allowing you to avoid overcutting pet's nails' bloodline. It features ergonomic handles and more precise grinding pet's nails and causing less hurt to your pet. It features adjustable 3 grinding ports. To match the small, medium, large pets, simply choose the appropriate port, depending on your pet size and nail hardness. Comes with USB charging cable that you can use with any computer, power bank, or USB adapter plug.